Welcome to another episode of Tech Deep Dive, where we explore the latest advancements and tools in the programming world. Today, we're diving into a powerful library that many developers have come to rely on, JSON for modern C++. This library isn't just another tool, it completely transforms how we work with JSON data in C++. So let's kick things off with a bit of background. JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is a well-known and widely used format for data interchange. In the C++ world, managing JSON data can be quite a task, until now. The JSON for Modern C++ library, spearheaded by nlohmann, aims to simplify this process with a host of thoughtful design goals. To start, let's talk about what makes this library stand out. One of its primary design goals was to make JSON syntax in C++ as intuitive as it is in languages like Python. The library utilizes modern C++ operator overloading to achieve this, making JSON feel like a first-class data type. When you write JSON code, it feels native to C++, which is refreshing for development. But let's not forget integration. What if you had to introduce this library into a project? Well, it's designed for trivial integration. You essentially just have to include a single header file, json.hpp. This means no extensive dependencies or complex build configurations, just simple, clean integration into your existing projects. It's like bringing a nifty toolbox that contains everything you need right at your fingertips. No clutter. Then we have testing and reliability. This library boasts comprehensive testing methodologies, achieving 100% code coverage, including all the edge cases you can imagine. In fact, rigorous fuzz testing is performed continuously to ensure robustness. It's like having a safety net. You know it's going to catch you even in the most unexpected scenarios. Now, let's switch gears and focus on practical use. The API of this library is designed for simplicity and ease of use. Let's walk through a quick example. Suppose you want to create a JSON object that includes various data types like strings, booleans, and arrays. With this library, you can easily define your JSON object in a way that directly mirrors the data structure you're aiming for, as if you were writing a JSON file directly in C++. For instance, CPP JSON J equals name, John, age 30, is developer. True? Languages, C++, Python, Java, it's clean and readable, just like writing JSON, but in C++. Now, we'd be remiss if we didn't touch on some advanced capabilities. The library also supports JSON patch and JSON pointer, features that let you modify existing JSON documents easily and interactively. Imagine needing to tweak a configuration dynamically. It's all at your fingertips. Perhaps you're wondering about errors in parsing. Well, this library is robust in dealing with bad inputs, allowing error handling through user-defined mechanisms. It ensures that you're informed of any parsing issues while letting you dictate the course of action, whether you'd like to ignore errors or throw exceptions. Before we wrap up, let's recap some key takeaways. This library boasts intuitive syntax that feels natural within C++, simple integration with a single header, fully covered testing to prevent memory leaks and errors, a powerful API that mirrors JSON while being easy to read and write, support for advanced operations like JSON patch and JSON pointer. Now, for our listeners, if you're venturing into handling JSON within your C++ projects, or if you're simply curious about modern tools in software development, diving into JSON for modern C++ is undoubtedly worthwhile. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with the library, feel free to reach out. Be sure to subscribe so you won't miss our upcoming episodes, where we'll explore more innovative technologies and how they're shaping the future of programming. Until next time, happy coding!